Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here with a C, coming to you from Canada. Today we're going to do a review on the FULLSTAR 9-in-1 onion chopper. Now it's called an onion chopper, but I think it does a little bit more than just onions. For example, one of the attachments is for a hard-boiled egg, and we're going to actually try that as well. And then it's got a couple different spiralizers, a juicer, a peeler with a couple different blade attachments on the peeler, and a couple cleaning tools. So we're just gonna somewhat keep it simple today and just pretty much do onions, and we're gonna do that hard-boiled, or a couple hard-boiled eggs to show you. Pretty easy to switch out the blades. There's a locking button that just comes out, and then for cleaning as well, this pops out as well. So this was, what did I say, Jamie? $46 on Amazon Canadian. So not super cheap, but so far, it's way better. That was a long time ago we did that green and white one that went right to the recycling bin. It was a total piece of crap. So I pre-cut some onions here, so let's see how it works. Okay.
That was good.
That was a good start. Okay. Pretty good. Really good, actually. Let's try this smaller blade. Might be a little harder to push through, we'll see. Thank you, Jamie. All right, let's give this one a try. A little harder, but pretty fine. Do another one like that as well. Those are the only two onion ones, right? Okay.
So don't get your fingers caught.
Yeah, you definitely don't want your fingers caught in there for sure. All right, so let's do one more of the bigger one. We have the onions, we might as well use them. Lock that in place. I'm actually gonna keep these onions and make a French onion soup rather than throw them in the garbage. So let's just do them all. Okay, this is pretty slick.
Wow.
So that was, what did I do? 4 large onions, and so it's showing on the side here, that's 5 cups of onions. And pretty quick succession there.
That's impressive.
I was impressed. All right, so hard-boiled eggs. We just shot a video for the Hamilton Beach egg cooker. So we had some hard-boiled eggs. We'll put the link to that video somewhere in here. So you just set the egg in, there's a little indentation for it, and just push it through. Boom. Pretty slick. So we were only gonna do the onions and the egg, but that went pretty quick. So I'm gonna grab a potato and just try that peeler out and see what that's all about. All right, so I just grabbed a potato that I had here. I'm just gonna try this peeler. I'm not really too sure what to expect. Okay, that's what I thought. It's for like carrots, if you want a julienne carrots or whatever. So, I mean, I guess these would be shoestring fries. Let's try the other side and see what it does. Or is that the same side? Oh, that's just a peeler, okay. So it works pretty well. Cuts a little deep, but yeah. Did I do the same side? Well, maybe I did. Oh, that makes more sense. That's a peeler. Okay. Seemed to work very well. So then obviously there's some spiralizers and some cleaning brushes. 50 bucks or 45 bucks or whatever. I was heavily impressed with how well and how quickly, and like, yeah, there's a little bit of effort to push it down, but really 5 cups of onions in the matter of a minute was pretty quick, and obviously they're consistently cut. So overall, I'm very impressed. For what we thought was just gonna be like a gimmicky, all-in-one whatever, I'm impressed. What do you think, Jamie?
I agree. And then the peeler is almost like a bonus.
Yes, I agree. That's our video. Hope you liked it. Only 4% of our viewers are subscribed, so hit that subscribe button. Cost you nothing, helps us out big time to continue to bring these types of videos to you. We'll see you on the next one.